Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about my big shop and show you the place where I did it and also the person that did my big shop, so stay tuned. First of all, I want to talk about my hair before I actually wanted to have a big chop. So I was thinking about it a long time, but my hair was damaged, but I was still believing that I can save them for the longest and just keep them and keep them and keep them. And then I did some research a little bit and I learned that damaged hair is really not good for your hair, because when you have curly hair, it's just gonna kind of like eat up your hair. And this is exactly what happened with me, and this is what my hairstylist Josh, which he explained to me how the hair follicles work when you have curly hair. So basically, once this is damaged, let's say, because you have curly hair and they're drier, they're just gonna curl, like go up. So basically it's just gonna damage your whole hair, even if it's new roots. So big shop is was kind of like the best option for me to have, finally to find my curls and have no damaged hair on my head and just start new. The thing also I wanted to mention, you don't have to, like, when you say big shop, you don't have to have like really short hair. You can really only cut your bad hair, but at the same time, if all your hair are not good, well, might as well just start from the beginning and take care of it and take the best advantage and just cut all of your hair, or maybe just all the hair that are damaged, just like I did. Also, I'm gonna include some pictures just now of what my hair looked like before I got my hair cut, and this is how it looked. Now you guys, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the salon, and basically what I'm gonna show you now, the video that was on the event on June 3rd that I posted a video about. That was the 1-year anniversary. You're gonna see everyone is happy. That was really fun. We had good prices, we get good products to sell. That was a really fun time, especially with the artwork on the outside, and you're gonna see it in the video too, so keep watching. Okay, so now this is my hair after. Basically now this is like a week after, and then I'm also gonna include some pictures of me just after, right after the haircut up, and I'm also gonna talk to you about more of the products that were used on my hair and also my hairstylist. Salon is called Nancy Falaise and it's at Metro Laurier in Montreal, Rue Gilford. I'm gonna put the address here down below. And also this salon, she created her salon, but not only she did this, she also created her own product line. So basically now, as I'm gonna be talking, I'm gonna show you the different lines, and there is the blue, the green, and the red line. So for the blue line, it's more a relaxed line. It's really for helping dry hair, but not only dry hair, but really smoothing the hair and really nourishing the hair. So you have the 3 steps. You have the shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. Also, this line, the blue line, was the one that was used on my hair, and I really love it. Like I have it just here. I have it just here, just to show you for real that I really loved it. I bought it. That's really good buy. Like, I've had it for 1 week, and usually I'm half the bottle after a week, but now you can see him just a little bit, and it's really full when you get it. The product feels so nice, it smells so good. This one is lavender smell, and it's really relaxing when you do shampoo and conditioner. Also, she created the green line, which is more for dry scalp, and also when you have you know, the white things inside of your hair, at the roots of your hair basically, and when you really miss hydration on your hair during the day, let's say. So there's 4 steps in this one. There's a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, which is the nourishing cream, and there is a spray that you can spray all of your hair every day, every time of the day. And then if, let's say, you have an itchy scalp, you just have to spray the 4th one, and it will actually relax right away and soften your pain or your scratch or your itchiness on your scalp. And the 3rd one that you're gonna see now is actually the one that's for after pregnancy or cancer or anything that makes you have your hair really thin and really how do you say that, weak in a way, but it's because of something in your hair, and this is just gonna help promote the hair growth and just help your hair rebuild themselves. So yeah, I really recommend you guys to go, if you're in Montreal, to go to this salon. This is a really good salon for natural hair, but also for straight hair. They're really good at hair, but they really specialize in curly hair, and they are so good. Everyone is fun to talk to. Everyone is really easy and really welcoming to you when you go to the salon. The salon is amazing. It's crazy beautiful. And also the ambience is like, there's no rush. You can talk to your hairstylist. You can really ask any questions you have. You get to know more about your natural hair and any questions you have. And anyways, like, this salon is really like the best salon I ever went to, because last time I went to a salon, they actually like really cut my hair wrong because they didn't know how to treat my hair. So it feels good to have this salon in Montreal. It's only been 1 year they're up, and they're really good. Like, I really love them, and I really recommend you to go there if you're in Montreal or anywhere else. You just come to Montreal and go to the salon, because this is the best salon for natural hair in Montreal. Thank you guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!